stress, the silent killer that destroys your brain without you even noticing. Today, you'll discover exactly how chronic stress damages your brain and what you can do to stop it before it's too late. Stress is actually a survival mechanism, but when it becomes constant, it stops helping you survive and starts harming your brain instead. When you feel stressed, your brain releases cortisol, the fight or flight hormone. Small doses can help, but chronic high levels directly damage your neurons. The hippocampus controls your memory. Chronic stress can shrink this area, resulting in poor memory, weak focus, and learning difficulties. Studies show that prolonged stress can literally kill neurons, weakening your brain's ability to think and remember. The prefrontal cortex controls decision-making and self-control. Stress weakens this area, causing impulsive decisions and emotional outbursts. The more stress you experience, the higher your anxiety, creating a dangerous feedback loop that further damages your brain. Stress interrupts sleep. Without proper rest, toxins accumulate in the brain, damaging memory and mood even further. Chronic stress increases brain inflammation, accelerating aging and weakening cognitive performance. Over time, stress increases the risk of Alzheimer's, early cognitive decline, and long-term memory loss. The good news? Your brain can heal. Sleep, deep breathing, exercise, and mindfulness repair neurons and restore focus. By controlling stress, you can protect and even improve your brain. Take action now. Your mind is your most valuable asset. If you found this video helpful, don't leave your brain unprotected. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and join us as we uncover more science-backed ways to upgrade your mind and body.